Hello friends, today we are going to see chapter number 5, our health and diseases. In this, the second part of diseases we are going to see, that is non-communicable diseases. A disease is said to be non-communicable if it does not spread from a person to another. We all know that in order to stay healthy, we need to eat a balanced diet. Balanced diet means which include all type of nutrients, all type of minerals, all type of protein rich and carbohydrate rich things. If a person eat only one kind of food, it causes a deficiency of other nutrients. Our body require all type of nutrients, all type of minerals in proportion. By eating only one kind of food, a typical type of food for a long time, a particular nutrient is missing in the diet. If it is missing for a long time, it leads to a various diseases. Such these are called as deficiency diseases. In deficiency diseases, proteins and carbohydrate. If proteins and carbohydrates are missing in our body, when there is lack of proteins and carbohydrates in the diet for a long time, protein energy malnutrition, we call this PEM. What happens? PEM takes place and gives rise to two deficiency diseases. If a body lacks proteins and carbohydrates, two types of diseases mostly we see. They are kwashiorkor and marasmus. कुपोषित मुलं, आपण जे म्हणतो कुपोषित मुलांच्या शरीरामध्ये प्रोटीन आणि कार्बोहायड्रेट्सचं प्रमाण कमी असतो किंवा त्यांना जन्माच्या आधी किंवा जन्मानंतर त्या गोष्टी भेटलेल्याच नसतात. त्यामुळे ती मुलं कुपोषित जन्मतात किंवा जन्मल्यानंतर ते कुपोषित राहतात. जी मुलं कुपोषित आहेत त्या मुलांमध्ये प्रोटीन आणि कार्बोहायड्रेटची कमतरता असते, ज्याला आपण PEM म्हणतो. Symptoms. In both the condition, there is growth failure and swelling. kwashiorkor मध्ये शरीर सुजतो. In kwashiorkor, the swelling is the edema, and in marasmus, the body becomes pale. Also, failure in the growth. Diarrhea and other infections also occur frequently. त्या मुलांना प्रत्येक वेळी काही ना काही आजार असतो. The body also develops resistance. रोग प्रतिकारक शक्ती कमी असणे, अंगात ताकद कमी असणे, चालणे फिरण्यात त्रास होणे. In adults, if there is lack of carbohydrates in the diet, the person loses weight. And if there is excess carbohydrates, the person become obese or fat, ज्याला आपण लठ्ठपणा म्हणतो. Prevention. How to prevent that? One must include carbohydrates and protein rich food in the diet. So which are the foods from where we get proteins and carbohydrates? One is cereals, tubers, कंदमुळं म्हणजे ट्यूबर्स, जॅगरी, शुगर, fruits, pulses, chicken, fish, egg, paneer, curd, and soybean. These are rich in proteins and carbohydrates. Second is deficiency of fats. When fats are lacking in the diet, the person experiences weight loss and has constant feeling of tiredness and restlessness. We see a person continuously having tiredness. If we see such a person, he has deficiency of fats. Now, how to prevent this? Fat rich food like oil, ghee, butter, all type of nuts, badam, kaju, pista, akhroad are called as nuts, must be included in the food. Deficiency of minerals. Minerals are also essential for the normal functioning of the body. There are many deficiency caused due to lack of minerals. Calcium is a mineral, iron is a mineral, iodine is a mineral. If we lack these minerals, what are the deficiency? Let's see one by one. Lack of calcium in the body. Deficiency disease has no particular name, but symptoms we can see. Defective bones and teeth. If you see here, this black shades are coming. If you see this, it shows that there is lack of calcium in the body. We see this mostly in the kids. Yeah. Second is bones are weak. Next is irregular heartbeats. Third is delay in clotting of blood. Delay in clotting of blood means when we get hurt, the blood stops automatically, which is called as clotting of the blood. Peoples who are lacking calcium in the body takes long time for clotting the blood. And the other symptom which we see is, if you see on the nail, you can see this whiteness. It shows the lack of calcium in the body, means calcium is lacking, less amount of calcium is present in the body. How to prevent this? Include calcium rich food in the diet. Which food has calcium? Milk, curd, green vegetables and oil seeds. Second is lack of iron in the body. Deficiency disease is anemia. What are the symptoms? Supply of oxygen to the cells is reduced and results in the person feeling breathless and pale, feeling tiredness, restless, fatigue and giddiness most of the time. चक्कर येणे, आळसपणा येणे, झोप येणे, अशक्तपणा येणे, थकवा येणे, हे सगळे लक्षण म्हणजे ॲनिमियाचे आहेत. शरीरात जर आयर्नची कमतरता असेल तर. नेक्स्ट इज nails become weak and spoon shaped. Loss of appetite. Appetite means you don't feel like eating, भूख मरने. Headache and increased palpitation. Prevention. How to prevent? Include iron rich food in the diet such as nuts, cereals, pulses, green leafy vegetable, eggs and meat. As I've told you, nut means all the dry nuts. As I've told you, badam, kaju, pista, these are like almond, cashew nuts, raisins. Third one is lack of iodine in the body. Deficiency goiter, which you can see here in the neck portion. There is swelling in the neck area. It causes growth retardation. Retardation म्हणजे आपल्या शरीराची ग्रोथ थांबते. Mental retardation and deaf mutism may also occur. Prevention: include iron-rich foods in the diet such as seafood, fish and iodized salt. Friends, all the diseases can be cured if we take proper precautions and use a balanced diet. Keep the diet balanced by taking all type of food